Morning, dear students. We will study chapter 4 today, that is temperature zones of the world. See, before starting with the temperature zones of the world, we must try to understand two fundamental topics, which are weather and climate. So, what is weather? Weather is the condition of atmosphere or air of a particular place for a short period of time. For example, if you are studying about the atmospheric condition of a particular place for a shorter period of time, you are studying about the weather. For example, a day, an hour, or even minutes. So, what are the factors which affects the weather of a place? These are temperature, wind, sunlight, rainfall, and humidity. If a particular place has low temperature, so the weather will be cold. If the place is receiving winds from a hot place, so the weather will be hot. If an area receives direct sunlight, and or you can say large amount of sunlight, so that particular area will be hot. If that area is not receiving large amount of sunlight, that area will become cold. So all these factors affects the weather of a particular place. But when we study about these atmospheric condition for a large period of time, so we consider it as climate, or we can say average weather condition of a place over a longer period of time over a large area. When you are studying atmospheric condition of any particular place for a large period of time, like for a year, or you can say 1 year, 2 year, or even 10 years, 15 years, it means when we are studying the atmospheric conditions for a large period of time, it is known as climate, and it remains same year after year. Climate do not change easily, but weather changes. Weather changes even minute after minute, hour after hour, day after day, and even seasons after season, but climate remains same year after year as well. Both climate and weather both affects our way of life. If you are living in an area where it is very cold, so you will wear the warm clothes, and if you are living in an area where it is very hot, you will wear the clothes which will keep your body cool. Difference I have already told you, that climate is the study of atmospheric condition for a large period of time, but weather is the study of atmospheric condition for the short period of time. Factors affecting the climate of a place. So the first factor is distance of a place from the equator. If a place is near to equator, it will have hot climate, and if an area which is away from the equator, it will have cold climate. Reason behind is the areas which are on the equator receive the direct sunlight, means a small area is receiving large amount of sunlight, but the areas which are away from the equator are receiving less sunlight, because there the sun rays get slanted, so the sunlight is spreading over a large area. So the areas which are far away from the equator will have less hot climate as compared to the areas which are near the equator. Altitude of a place. See, what is altitude? Height of any particular place above the sea level, or you can say the height of a place starting from the sea level, above the sea level, to its highest point is also called altitude. So as you can see, this arrow is indicating the altitude of a particular place. So it is starting above the sea level and to the highest point of a particular place. So this is altitude, the height above the sea level. So areas which are located at the high altitude have cold climate as compared to the areas which are at the low altitude. Directions of wind. See, air keeps moving from one place to another. If wind is blowing from cold regions, will make a place cool, and if wind is blowing from hot region, it will make a place hot. And if wind is blowing from a place from the sea or ocean, it will make a particular place to have rain, because most of the winds which are blowing from the sea or ocean have moisture or have humidity, means amount of water in the air is more. So any area which receives the winds from the ocean or from the seas will have monsoon or will have rainfall. So this is how the direction of wind affects the climate of a particular place. Temperature, humidity and rainfall also affects the climate of a place. If the temperature is high, the particular place will have hot climate. If the temperature is low, the particular place will have cold climate. Humidity, basically warm winds carry a lot of humidity as compared to the cold climate. So if an area is humid, it means it has hot climate. Rainfall, see, rainfall moderates the temperature of a place. If an area receives the large amount of rainfall, the temperature will decrease, and if an area does not receive any rainfall, will have hot climate, because there is no because rain is not moderating that particular place. Distance of a place from the sea, the areas which are near to the sea or ocean have moderate climate. Moderate means not very hot, not very cold, pleasant climate. Why does it happen? It happens because of the continuous exchange of land breeze and sea breeze. And why does it happen? See, whenever the air will get hot, it will rise in the atmosphere, and when the hot air will rise in the atmosphere, the space will be taken by the cold air. So the same thing happens to the areas where which are near to the sea or ocean. Let us try to understand with the help of land and sea breeze. So land breeze occurs during night. Why it occurs? Water water gets takes time to get hot as well as cold. Land gets very less time, takes very less time to get hot as well as cold. So during day, sunlight is falling over the land as well as ocean. So water will take a lot of time to get hot, but land will get hot easily. So the air which is present over the land will also get hot, and when that air will get hot, it will rise in the atmosphere. So the air which is present on the ocean, which is cold, will take the space of the hot air. So this is during day sea breeze occur, but during night it is totally opposite. Now during night time, land is cool and the water of the ocean is still hot. So the air which is present over the ocean will rise up in the atmosphere. So the space created by the hot air will be taken by the cold air which is present on the land. So these exchange of hot air and cold air keep on taking near the areas which are present near oceans. So that's why the areas which are present near the ocean or sea have moderate climate as compared to the areas which are far away from the sea. So most of the areas which are far away from the sea have extreme climate. Thank you and have a nice